if-else expression. So we just covered an if-else statement, if-else, and it turns out that you can actually do this inside a single expression as opposed to a statement. It's an if-else expression. We see it right here. In this case, instead of this test right here, where we say if n is greater than or equal to 0, return n, else return negative n, we can do all of that in a single line. So here we say return, and then everything after the return is not a statement, it's an expression. And you can use an if inside an expression. We return n if n is greater than or equal to 0, else negative n. This is a little quirky because in the test up here you say the if first, and then the body comes after the if. Here, the body, as it were, comes before the if. You return this value, this expression, if this test is true, else this other expression. This syntax works naturally. There, we see it works. I would caution you to use it sparingly, because for anything but the simplest cases, it can get extremely complicated to understand what's going on here. Code clarity is so important. And so you can use this for simple cases, but anything more complicated, don't use an if-else expression, use an if-else statement, because this breaks up the parts into visually clear pieces. And so this is the more general way to code if-else statements. Use the expressions sparingly.